Welcome to another video. This is Inorganic Tutor as well. So today we want to look at how we can prove that this particular limit, right, this function is equal to this limit, right, is 7. Okay, this we have right here is a quadratic expression divided by a linear expression. Okay, so this you have to make sure that this we consider this. I think we can factorize this to have something cancel out. Okay, so let's consider the epsilon delta definition. Okay, so for every epsilon, it should be positive, right? And that is greater than 0. There should exist delta that is also greater than 0, such that x minus 3 should be less than delta, and that should be less than 0. Okay, whenever the function minus the limit, right, is less than epsilon, right? So this is a definition. It's like you are reporting to your manager, right? You have to give an outline for whatever you want to report. So this is the definition to how we can prove this particular function. So let's go. This f of x here is what we have right here, and the L is the limit, right? So we have f of x, which is s squared plus x minus 12 all over x minus 3 minus 7, right? This should be less than epsilon. Okay, so we consider this. Okay, so we consider this. We have to make sure that this is factored out. So when we factor that, we are going to have s minus 3, s plus 4, right? All over x minus 3, right? Minus 7. Okay, so we continue from here. We have s minus 3, s plus 3, all over s minus 3. Okay, so this takes of this here. So we have s plus 4 minus 7. Okay, so we can see some differences here. So we have s 4 minus 3, 4 minus 7, and that is minus 3. Okay, so here, what is it? This is just delta. We have x minus 3 to be delta, so we just do that substitution. But don't forget that this is less than epsilon, right? So we have delta to be less than epsilon. Okay, so this is just a simple limit. So this we have to consider that delta has to take a minimum of 1, right? So we choose delta to be equal to a minimum of 1 and then epsilon. Okay, so this proves our problem. So hence proven as record. Over s minus 3 is equal to 7. All right, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mate, and I'll give you more updates. Bye-bye.